Body Light TV, what's the word, what's the demo? Back with a video, a vlog, you know what I'm saying? Finally finished my bike, man. Finally, dog. Check that joint out, man. 2006 Honda TRX450ER. Electric start. You know. Sun L tires. What else we got on that joint, man? High rail rebuild on the motor. Docile shorty. You know. Bought it from High Rail Racing too. Matt Elliott. Little customization on the lever. Don't know the brand. Another little thing I cooked up, you know. Small little detail. Cut fenders. I ain't really like how the butterfly look. I like the cut fender look. I'm gonna get a new seat cover. I'm gonna get one customized by some people I seen on Instagram. Man, what else? I don't. New lugs on there. I'm talking about tore down the whole bike, as y'all can remember in the previous video. So, tore down the whole bike. They're rebuilding, man. This bike came from nothing. I'm talking about absolutely nothing. But right now, I'm getting ready to put the oil in on this side because I had a few issues. After I had installed the starter gear, this the old one, the starter gear clutch. I had put everything back together, and the gasket, I don't know if the gasket wasn't lined up right or the gasket just wasn't no good, but it was brand new. The bike, when I cranked it started leaking oil, so when I opened it up, one of the gaskets was kind of tore. I mean, it was like tore and all that good stuff. So I put a OEM gasket on there last night, and put some big gasket maker on there also, and hopefully that'll help. It's been like 24 hours, so you're gonna put the oil in there, transmission side and stuff. Put the radiator fluid in there, and then we gonna crank this baby up, man. I really wanna ride it real quick, but I ain't got no back brakes, bro. I don't even know what's going on because, you know what I'm saying, like, you see there, right here, fluid come out of here, but it don't come out of here. So, I don't know what's the demo with that. I think it's because I had painted that joint and it's stuck. Maybe the pads or something stuck. I don't know. We gotta figure that out before the weekend, because I'm trying to ride this weekend. Yeah, man, I'm gonna get a new chain. Get a brand new chain. Really ain't really just nothing else I really want to do to this joint. I got the pedal tires. Got the tires. I need some rims, some 10-inch rims. So y'all know somebody got some 10-inch rims, man. Let me know. Hit me up on Instagram, Bike Life Drag Racing. Oh yeah, we just hit 20K on that joint. Yeah, sir. 50K, we going for 50K. But yeah, y'all hit me up. Y'all got some 10-inch Honda rims. I buy them joints from me. But yeah, man, let me go and get the oil in here and get the radiator fluid in here and start this board up. See what we got. I had put a switch on here too for the fan. I put a switch on it, but I don't know if that switch gonna kill my battery, man. Mechanic says it'll kill the battery slowly, but I don't know for sure. We finna find out though, cause it's been on for about 2 days. Put the switch on about 3 days now, so we're gonna see. It's a brand new battery. So yeah, let me go and get the oil in, man. I'm fresh out of work, so I need to go and do this. Get that verified so I can go in the house and chill, man. Y'all stay tuned. y'all. I think that's everything. Oil in. Oil on the other side. Radiator fluid in. I think that's gonna do it there. We'll give her a start, see what's going on with that, boy. See what's going on with her. Turn the gas on. Hold up, y'all. Alright, y'all, yeah, I'm on the phone now. Matter of fact, let me wipe this joint off. On the phone now, man, my camera went dead. So, well, seemed like it run good. When I hit the gas, though, it kind of sputter. I don't know if it's because of bad gas or carburetor need cleaning or what. But it run idle, off choke, so I don't know. I kind of want to take it up the street real quick, but like I said, I ain't got no brakes, man. Even I ain't gonna be going fast, but yeah, I think I'm finna try it out. I ain't got no leaks. Everything looks sealed. Everything look dry. I don't see nothing leaking. Not around the head or the cylinder. So we good on that part. I'm gonna get some new gas lines. Well, I got gas lines, I just ain't put it on. But and I'm gonna get a new on and off switch. It's kind of leaking a little gas from the hose, but that's minor, that ain't nothing. What I do see right here though is smoke. It's my radiator fluid. I don't know if it's because of when I pouring the radiator fluid in and it got on something that get hot on, you know. But yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a little update, man, on the bike. I'm gonna call it Snow Measy, which is an off name of my truck. I had wheels and tires on it. Some 24s on 35, 14 wide, but I sold them. Might put some more wheels on here, I don't know. So my truck was called Snowman, and it's called Snow Measy. And they match. See, the lift was green, and my tag green. The little bullet on there, green. So, yeah, green my favorite color, so that's the logic behind the green. But yeah, man, I'm finna try to go mess with it though, see what it do, a little bit what it do, not much. I forgot to tell y'all too, these are Pro Taper dirt bike handlebars with adapters on it. I had to get the adapters, the stock one on work. So other than that, oh yeah, I got new tie rods too. eBay finest. you know. But yeah, man, I'm waiting on my grab bar to come in. I'm gonna need that joint grab bar. Waiting on that to come in. Other than that though, man, rocking and rolling, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the trails. I got a GoPro I'm finna get buy this weekend. I'm about a full setup to go on my helmet. It's gonna give y'all the best view. So we're gonna be hitting on the trail. We're gonna be racing in the trail, racing in the sand, little street racing. You know, keep the channel alive, man. But y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. We almost at 20K on the channel, man. We at 19.3, so y'all almost to a dub, man. Y'all make sure y'all comment. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all like the video, man. Tell your friends, man. We up. We in Louisiana, too, if y'all want to ride, man. Hit me up in the DMs on Instagram. Bike Life Drag Racing. Hit me up.